Hey everyone, welcome back to the place where we're testing every single mask on Amazon. I think because we bought this mask, the Cojin Disposable Face Mask, we can't find out where it came from. But I pretty much only buy masks on Amazon, so, you know, a lot of times what happens is you buy something and then something else shows up. I think that's what happened here. Let's get it in the clamper and see what happens. I'm like 0 for 3. No, I'm 1 for 3 on clamping my fingers so far, so. Did it. Let her rip. This is a PFE machine, Particulate Filtration Efficiency Machine. If you want to find out more about how we're doing this test, check out that link. But we're doing the American standardized test here, and since I don't have anything else to look at, like a listing, I'm just going to look at the box. Cojin Disposable Face Mask. Intended for use by general public, not for use by healthcare professionals. Blue side faces out. All right. Comes packaged. Box, very standard mask. I'm sure you've seen these before. Let's do the, okay. That was pretty good. I don't think it's going to come off on your face, so. Put it on. Do smell test here. Oh, this smell is a slightly used game of Clue in the library with the candlestick. Yeah, it smells like a board game. I think it's probably the box, but yeah, it's like a slightly used board game. Not terrible though. Nose wire is tiny. Not used to nose wires that tiny. All right, let's take out see what's going on here. Now remember, ASTM level 3 needs to be at 98% or better, but this is meeting an ASTM level 1 mask, which is pretty good, 97%. All in all, pretty good mask, airflow resistant, 51, 52. Cojin, I don't know how the heck you're gonna buy this mask because it just showed up magically, but if you find it, pretty good mask. 97.109, 97.109, pretty good, great breathability. Tiny nose wire, but slight smell of Clue, but I like it. It's kind of nostalgic. All right, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And we're running a little competition right now. I'm going to put a link right there that explains it. If you leave a comment within the first 24 hours, you could be rewarded. Check it out. And I will see you on the next test, which, by the way, is tomorrow at 10 a.m. We are dropping hot tracks every day until the end of 2021. So I'll see you then. I'm going to be like, you know, that uncle that won't leave after the party. That's my goal.